Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Understanding trailer truck maintenance schedules, a practical guide for every fleet owner. When it comes to keeping trailer trucks on the road, maintenance isn't just a routine task, it's a necessity. A well-planned maintenance schedule helps prevent costly breakdowns, ensures driver safety, and keeps operations running smoothly. Ignoring upkeep can lead to unexpected downtime and expensive repairs, throwing your fleet's efficiency off track. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of trailer truck maintenance schedules. From timing inspections to prioritizing repairs, you'll gain practical tips to manage your fleet more effectively. Let's make maintenance simple and stress-free. Understanding maintenance schedules for trailer trucks. For trailer trucks, maintenance schedules are the backbone of keeping fleets safe, efficient, and on the road. Think of them as your fleet's health plan, regular checkups to catch small issues before they become costly problems. Sticking to these schedules can mean the difference between smooth operations and unexpected breakdowns. Let's dive deeper into some of the key considerations when building or refining these schedules. Differentiating between preventive and corrective maintenance. When it comes to truck maintenance, there are two main approaches, preventive and corrective. Preventive maintenance focuses on regular, scheduled checkups and servicing. This includes tasks such as oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and filter replacements, all aimed at catching wear and tear early. It's proactive, much like brushing your teeth to avoid cavities. On the other hand, corrective maintenance happens after a failure, such as replacing a blown-out tire or fixing a broken engine component. It's reactive and often costs more, not just in parts and labor but also in downtime and lost revenue. Why is preventive maintenance the smarter choice? Here are a few reasons. Lower overall costs. Minor fixes during routine inspections are almost always cheaper than major repairs. Reduced downtime. Preventive care avoids the surprise of having a truck stuck on the side of the road. Improved safety. Roadworthy trucks protect your drivers, cargo, and other motorists. Waiting for a problem to arise before addressing it can be like gambling with your fleet's efficiency. Preventive maintenance may feel like a hassle, but it's an investment that pays off in the long run. The role of federal and state regulations. Keeping trailer trucks on schedule isn't just about saving money. It's also about staying compliant with federal and state regulations. These laws are in place to ensure trucks on the road are safe and meet minimum maintenance standards. For example, in the United States, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, sets strict rules requiring regular inspections and maintenance. Items like brakes, steering, suspension, and tires are all subject to federal oversight. Skipping mandatory inspections can lead to penalties, fines, or even your fleet being grounded until the issues are resolved. Meanwhile, state regulations can vary. Some states may require additional checks, such as annual emissions testing or specific maintenance logs. What's the best way to stay compliant? Keep an up-to-date maintenance record for each vehicle in your fleet. Schedule inspections and maintenance appointments to meet both federal and state timelines. Stay informed about changes to regulations. Failing to do so can lead to costly surprises. Compliance isn't optional, and falling behind on legal requirements can hurt your business reputation and bottom line. Manufacturer recommended maintenance versus real-world adjustments. Every trailer truck comes with a manufacturer's maintenance guide, and these are a fantastic starting point. They outline how often specific parts need servicing based on factory tests. But here's the thing. Real-world conditions can vary significantly from the controlled environments where those tests were conducted. For instance, if your trucks frequently drive in harsh weather, carry heavy loads, or tackle mountain routes, parts may wear out faster than the manufacturer anticipated. In cases like this, adjusting your maintenance schedule is a must. Ignoring these extra demands can lead to premature failures and increased risk on the road. Here's how to balance manufacturer recommendations with real-world needs. Start with the manufacturer recommended schedule. These guidelines are designed to cover most standard operations. Monitor your specific fleet usage. Use telematics or maintenance logs to identify trends, such as frequent issues with brakes, tires, or suspension in certain operating conditions. Talk to technicians. Mechanics often have first-hand insights into how real-world conditions impact different truck models. Customizing your maintenance schedule to fit your fleet's unique demands ensures durability and boosts reliability. No two fleets are the same, and your maintenance strategy should reflect that. The costs of neglected maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance for trailer trucks doesn't just lead to mechanical wear. It impacts the financial health, reliability, and safety of your entire operation. A skipped inspection here or a delayed repair there might seem harmless in the moment, but these oversights quickly add up. Let's explore how poor maintenance can drain resources and jeopardize both profit and safety. Fuel efficiency and increased operational costs. When maintenance is neglected, fuel efficiency often takes a direct hit. Something as simple as underinflated tires or a dirty air filter can make your truck's engine work harder, burning more fuel than necessary. Over time, this seemingly small inefficiency places a significant dent in your operating budget. Poor alignment, worn-out parts, or even failing sensors only add to the problem. From reduced miles per gallon to more frequent fuel stops, neglecting small fixes can snowball into consistently higher operational costs. Think of it this way: a truck in tip-top shape runs like a well-oiled machine, while a poorly maintained one guzzles fuel like it's going out of style. Here's what a lack of routine care can lead to. Drastically higher fuel consumption due to inefficient engine performance. Accelerated wear on parts, resulting in more frequent replacements. Increased labor costs, as neglected issues often lead to more time-consuming repairs. Taking a reactive approach to maintenance isn't just more expensive, it's like throwing money out the window with every mile driven. Unplanned downtime and revenue loss. Every minute a truck spends off the road is a minute it isn't making money. Neglecting maintenance increases the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns, a surefire way to tank your productivity. Imagine missing a crucial delivery deadline or leaving a customer hanging because your fleet wasn't road ready. Unplanned downtime disrupts schedules, pushes back timelines, and often requires costly last-minute repairs. And the ripple effect doesn't end there. When one truck fails, the workload shifts to the rest of the fleet, creating more stress and potential for further breakdowns. What does this look like in real terms? Lost revenue opportunities when loads don't get delivered on time. Costs for emergency towing and roadside repairs, which are always pricier than planned maintenance. Damaged customer relationships. Reliability is everything in the logistics business. Maintenance delays aren't just an inconvenience. They threaten the reputation of your operation and your bottom line. Safety risks and legal liabilities. Ignoring maintenance isn't just bad for business, it's a danger to everyone on the road. Failing brakes, worn tires, or malfunctioning lights can turn a routine trip into a safety hazard. For fleet operators, the consequences of an accident due to poor maintenance can be devastating. Accidents often lead to costly lawsuits, insurance claims, and fines. Beyond financial liabilities, think about the reputation damage. A single incident involving a poorly maintained truck can undermine years of hard work building trust with customers. Consider the risks involved. Increased chance of accidents, putting drivers and others at risk. Potential legal consequences, like negligence claims or regulatory penalties. Higher insurance premiums after avoidable incidents on the road. Maintaining your fleet proactively isn't just about staying profitable, it's about protecting your team, customers, and the public at large. Cutting corners could cost far more than money, it could cost lives. A solid trailer truck maintenance schedule is the foundation of any successful fleet operation. Staying ahead with regular upkeep saves money, boosts safety, and ensures compliance with industry regulations. Small efforts today can prevent major headaches tomorrow. Don't wait for problems to pile up. Start reviewing your fleet's maintenance plan now. Whether you're fine-tuning existing schedules or building them from scratch, consistent care makes all the difference. Keep your trucks and business running smoothly, mile after mile. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.